What's up, making friends? This is James back at it. We're in PB, California, Pacific Beach, baby. And it is Saturday afternoon, and my brother is thinking about moving out to Pacific Beach. And I wanted to give him a little bit of what he might come to expect here. And so this video is all about making friends in Pacific Beach, getting people's feedback. What do they love about Pacific Beach? What do they not love? And it's all coming to you here live, baby.
Welcome to PB, motherfucker!
You're getting high. Best burrito in town.
Fucking Vallarta's. Vallarta's is the best for sure.
Oh, we got Vallarta's right here, baby. Okay, next question. Favorite date in PB?
Firehouse, because if you lose her, there's always more to take home.
Oh my god, dude. This guy's an SDS. This guy's an Aztec over here, man.
I had to.
This guy's a legend. Oh my god. What's just your go-to thing to do in PB?
So mine would do. Yes.
Smoke weed.
Take a lift down to the Vons, and then go from bar to bar until you hit the water, and then grab a Baked Bear ice cream and sit at the beach and just hit on any chick
Oh
you
my
can.
god, dude. Hey brother, you look like you want to do an interview. We got Steve here, and Steve's gonna give you the real about PB, baby.
The low.
So Steve's obviously a surfer. He's excellent because he doesn't ride a wave storm like I do. Other cool shit to do in PB.
Fish racing. Shore Club, Wednesday nights. They race
Goldfish
Can't wait to do that.
races.
Yeah, all right.
What do you think about the girls around here? If you had to
Fire.
describe them.
Do a pano.
Fire, yeah.
It's unreal.
It's
Unreal.
fire.
Unreal.
Excellent,
Pretty chill,
Steve.
too.
Guys, what do you think about the girls down here?
People grew up here, bro. Kids went to school here. Like, people grew up here. Like, you gotta get here.
Dude. Yeah. What are you doing not being here?
I'm from San Diego, baby.
Hey, Joe, these are the types of people. These guys they're down for anything. They're having some fun. We're at the beach. We're in Pacific Beach, south of the pier. I'm here with these two girls, total stoners. They don't even know what they're saying right now. You're probably gonna meet people like this. What's your favorite thing about this area?
Everyone's fucking weird, and they always see someone like a kook just like walking by.
Yeah, I like that too. There are a lot of kooks here.
I don't know anything about PB, bro.
But you're a San Diego chick, right?
Yeah, I lived in OB.
Oh, she's an OB chick. We gotta move her to the OB video. Joe Mama, what's up? Yo, we're here in PB.
What's up, Joe?
It's this guy's birthday.
We meant playing kickball.
Kickball, baby. I'm telling you, hot spot.
Oh, real talk, Joe. Every single person that comes to San Diego says when they come here, I'm gonna move to San Diego, and nobody ever fucking does it. I'm gonna be real with you. So do it, and you're gonna be like, wow, everybody says move here because it's fucking dope as shit.
Dude,
And you're gonna
nice.
see, dog.
What do you got, big dog?
Joe, you give me a call, and we'll go from there.
That's
We'll
wow.
go from there,
That was
dog.
kind of sweet, man.
What's up, dog?
Oh, dude, we just get
Are we trying to figure out what gender we are right now? Oh, I was trying to classify as a unicorn today, but I'm not sure. Because I was going for
Hey, any last birthday thoughts? Go nuts.
Just live it up, brother.
Yeah.
Live it up. Come to PB and live it up. This is the spot.
Dude,
You can do
awesome.
whatever you want here.
Love you, brother. See ya. These guys are
Come out here,
legends.
brother. We need you out here.
Yeah, dude, Joe,
Come
this
on.
place is dying for you, man.
Hey, we need
Well, that
you.
East Coast blood. So anyways, bro, it is gonna be a pleasure having you out here. You're gonna love it. Man, I'm pumped for you to have you. You're the legend. I'll see you very soon. See ya.